Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan at Homeschool in the Woods. Today I'm going to be showing you through our new pre-K curriculum, so stay tuned. Okay, so we got a new pre-K curriculum. If you saw my curriculum haul video, you know I don't usually do anything formal for preschool. I never have in the past. I always just buy a workbook or something like that just so they feel like they're doing school. So this is the first time I've actually bought a pre-K curriculum. And it's from The Good and the Beautiful. This is the course book. Sorry about the glare. I'm going to show you through it and kind of show you what comes with it. And yeah, I'm going to flip the camera around and give you guys a look. Okay, so here is the pre-K course book. It covers letters and sounds, vowels, numbers, colors, motor skills, sorting, matching, and rhyming. And then it also comes with an activity pack. I've already cut out a few of the little things that come with it. But this is like all the games that come with it. There's Feed the Elephant, Letter Cube, Mouse House, Hide and Seek Pets, Swat the Fly, Number Slider, and letter memory. So this is all the activities that come with it. I'm going to flip through and kind of just give you an idea of what they look like. So this is the Feed the Elephant game. We've already done this because he just couldn't wait. That's what the peanuts are for. I tell him a letter and he finds the peanut with that letter and then he gets to feed it to the elephant. He loves this game. We've already played it probably 6 or 7 times. This is the letter cube that you make all this. You cut this out and make this into a cube. And I guess they get to roll it and they have to tell you what the letter is on top and tell you the sound of the letter. This is Mouse House. So you cut out all these little houses and you hide the little mouse behind a house. And then he tells you, I guess he has to say the name of the letter and its sound until he finds the mouse. So that looks like it'd be really fun. I think this is the same thing, hide and seek pets. You have to hide the little pets behind the furniture and you go through the game until you find them. This is Swat the Fly. So you would tell him what letter and then he uses the fly swatter to swat the fly with the right letter. There's another one of those. There's a number slider that you cut out and you use this here to slide through and he has to tell you what number it is on there. And then it looks like there is a, sorry my camera is not focusing very well. This is the letter memory. There's different ways to play it. It has the pictures, and then it comes with the letter memory, the uppercase and the lowercase it looks like. So that is the activities that come with it. That's the activity pack. But that's going to be really fun. He already is in love with this thing. So, alright, and then lastly, it comes with these little flip books. You cut these out, or cut along these dotted lines here, and then you match up the picture with the lowercase letter and the uppercase letter. This one's not cut, but I have one that's cut. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, there it is. So like dog, you would flip through here and find the lowercase d, and then you find the uppercase d, and then they match up. So this is really fun. We've done this already too. So he is liking it really well so far. I got it yesterday and he begged me to get it started. I'm going to show you through a little bit of the course book so you can kind of see what the lessons look like. It has about this course, all the information that you need to teach the course. Oh, there's also a vowel song that you download. I think it's free and it goes with this. yesterday we did a couple lessons because he was so excited. But it just kind of starts off real easy with this picture and like these little poems. And it starts off with the first, of course, you know, everything starts off with A. And they're learning uppercase and lowercase. And they had to circle the uppercase A's. And then the next one was doing lowercase a and coloring the pictures that started with A. And here was B. And it shows you at the top if there's things that's needed. It says Play-Doh, a real flower, flower seeds, but it says optional on that. You go through B. And then it had this little game to do. He had to point to the letter and say its sound and go down the path all the way to the finish. And then we did this today, the lowercase b, and he circled the ones that started with B. We didn't have crayons with us at the time. And then we did a piggy bank game, so he was learning a little bit about money. So it was talking about pennies. And then there was a clothespin game. He had to put the clothespin on the right letter. And then it just goes through each letter. Like that. And match the first letter with the picture. So we'd be circling the letter that goes with the first picture. And there's a lot of cutting practice. So like you could tear out these pages like this. It's blank on the other side, and cut this out, and then he could practice cutting. Lesson 6, it's kind of going over letters still. I mean, the letters go all the way to Z, but there's just lots of activities throughout the book. Like this one here, you have the uppercase, and then you have to cut out the lowercase and glue it into the box that it goes in. There's a lot of picture studies in the book. You ask them questions about the picture and see if they can tell you anything about it. There's a lot of those. It's going over recognizing the lowercase b and lowercase d. That's something that all kids seem to struggle with, so that's really good. My first grader still struggles with this. And they're going to go and see if they can find out which one is B and D. Match the first letter. And then it's on to letter E. And looks like some more review. Going to the next letter. And another picture study. All the pictures in here are really beautiful. They call it the good and the beautiful for a reason. There's a lot of beautiful pictures. And on to F, and more color the one that starts with that sound. Some more practicing on the lowercase b and d. And these lessons are not real long. You can get them done probably in 10 to 15 minutes. So, you know, if they don't have a very, you know, big attention span, it's a really good curriculum for that. There's G. I'm kind of flip through it and kind of show you what's going on. Like sorting animals and fruit, you cut out the pictures and you paste them where they go. Doing some numbers now. More numbers. They're circling the number that goes with the picture. More letters and puzzles. Sorry about the lighting. The lighting is not the best today, so. Tallest and shortest. Making dots to match up with the number. Still going over some numbers. Oops. Number match. Just a lot of good stuff, guys. He is already in love with this. Yesterday we got it in the mail and he just begged me to get it started. So we did 2 lessons yesterday, and this morning we had to do 2 lessons because he just really wanted to do it. So I'm gonna give you guys a look at kind of what our lesson looked like this morning, and we'll go from there. Okay. Alright, find uppercase C.
Deer?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna feed the elephant.
Yeah.
Okay, find lowercase c. No. Find uppercase D. Yep. Can you find lowercase d? No, lowercase d. That's a V.
This?
Yeah, that's it.
No.
No. Okay, find big or well uppercase B. Yep. Good. Find lowercase b.
No.
Okay, find uppercase E. Yeah. Find lowercase e. See lowercase e? Good.
No.
Okay, what about uppercase A?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, find uppercase F. Mm-hmm.
No.
Okay, find lowercase f. Mm-hmm. And now find lowercase a.
I know it's right.
Good, you did all of them. There they are. Okay, this is let's review. What does the letter A say? As in apple. What does the letter B say?
Baby.
Yeah, like big. We have practiced writing uppercase B. Now let's practice writing the lowercase b. When we're writing lowercase b, we start by drawing a bat. And then we draw a ball. So like you draw the bat. Watch out. You draw the bat first and then you make the ball. Okay? Here, do the next one. So make the bat first. And then the ball. Good. Okay, so now you have to circle all the lowercase b's. Do you see any lowercase b's? That's the uppercase. That's a lowercase. So you circle it.
This little case.
Yes. Okay, I see some more. Do you?
This little case.
Which one? I can't see it.
This one.
No, that's the uppercase.
This one.
That's a lowercase.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Which one? I
This
can't
one?
see it.
This one.
No, that's uppercase. I think you got all the lowercase. Okay, it says, color all the items that start with the letter B. Okay, so what's that first picture there? Right here? What's that first picture?
Butterfly.
Does it start with B?
Yeah.
Hey, do you have a crayon, Claire? I didn't bring crayons up here.
Balloon. Mom, this starts with B.
You want to circle the ones that start with B?
Yeah.
Okay.
B. And school. B.
Yeah, balloon starts with B. What about this one? This one don't though, does it? What is it?
Well, what is it? The dog.
So what does that one start with?
D.
Yeah, so that
was
one
a
doesn't.
wolf.
Okay.
Wolf. Pig. big.
Okay. Clothespin game. Alright, where's the clothespin? Claire, can you get it for me? Okay. So down here we have our letters. I'm going to tell you which one to put the clothespin on, okay? Can you put the clothespin on uppercase A? You'll have to lift, no. You have to lift the page. No. Can you put it on? Good. Can you put the clothespin on lowercase b? Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. Okay, can you put it on lowercase a? Good. Now uppercase b. I think I was supposed to cut that out, but I didn't. Okay. How about, can you put it on the red letter? Okay, can you put it on the blue letter? Okay, can you put it on the green letter? Is that green?
No. Yellow.
Oh, it looks kind of green from here. Okay, what about the orange letter? Good. That's a good job.
Now what is it?
Alright, this is a penny. You know how much it's worth?
10.
Nope.
1.
It's worth 1 cent. Alright, I'm going to have you put 1 penny in the piggy bank. Can you put 1 penny in the piggy bank?
This one?
Good. Alright, now I want you to put 2 pennies in the piggy bank. Good. Now can you put 3? Good. Okay. Now this time I want you to do 4 pennies in the piggy bank.
2, 3, 4.
Good.
5.
Alright, this time 5. How much is a penny worth?
5.
You know how much a penny's worth? You say 1 cent?
1 cent.
So how many pennies are in the piggy bank?
5.
Yep.
5
Good.
cents.
Okay. So, what is this?
Dog.
Okay, so what does it start with?
Now find the D.
We gotta find the uppercase and the lowercase d. There's one. There you go. So you got your uppercase D, lowercase d, and
Dog.
your dog. Your dog starts with D. So let's do the next one. All right, what's that?
Bird.
Okay.
Yeah.
Claire,
can't just put
Claire.
all that.
There's one. That's the lowercase. So where is the uppercase?
Speed on.
You have to go the other way. Look. There's C, so let's flip back until you find it. Oh, there it is. So what is this?
B.
B. And what is this?
A lowercase b.
Which one? Is that a lowercase? And what's this one?
The uppercase.
The uppercase. And what is that?
Bird.
The bird. The bird starts with what? Here. What's the bird start with?
With B.
Hey.
B.
Hey.
What?
So, you did a lesson. Did you like it? Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.